what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making some homemade chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to show y'all all the things that I got. And for this particular recipe, I'm going to be making it in the Instant Pot. So let's go. First off, that's my Instant Pot right there. Got it a couple years ago from Target. And these are some of the seasonings that I'm going to be using. Parsley flakes, oregano. Y'all can see. Y'all can read. Look, I'm gonna use a little bit of this, and paprika, red, some crushed pepper flakes. I got 2 chicken breasts, which I'm going to season. And then over here, I have my onions, carrots, and celery. Now, I'm not gonna make a big serving because it's just the 4 of us. So to my Instant Pot, I'm going to add some olive oil, because I'm going to saute the chicken, get it a nice brown color on it before I cook it. I just have to do it that way. I see a lot of people just dump the chicken in there. And I don't like to do that because I feel like it does not give it flavor, okay? So here I'm going to set it to saute, and you can set it to what you want it to be. Normal, more, so I'm gonna do normal. And I'm gonna let that heat up, and then I'm gonna put the chicken in there. I have my chicken seasoned, and I put it on this aluminum foil because I literally can just ball it up, throw it in the trash, and it helps with the cleanup. I seasoned it with paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Not too much. Chicken's in the Instant Pot. Get it a good sear on each side. If I feel like it's taking too long, I'll turn it up to more, but for right now, this is what we're working with. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna throw in, don't worry about that, y'all. It got a little bit too, don't worry about it. I'm gonna throw in some onions, minced garlic, my veggies. Okay, so I got, cause it's not burnt, it's just, you know. So I got my veggies in here. I'm gonna let these saute. Put a tablespoon of butter in there, and I'm gonna cook this with the garlic in there probably for about like 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna re-add the chicken with the chicken broth and some water, and then I'm gonna let that cook. Okay, y'all, so I like my veggies to sweat, so I add a little bit of salt. And I got this. I got these off of Amazon. Salt and pepper. Just add a little bit. And then I'm going to stir that up. I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. So bear with me. Bear with me. But yeah, so I'm just going to stir this all up together. And it brings out the flavor in the veggies too, adding a little bit of salt in there. Who said that? Gordon Ramsay. Okay. So there we go. I'm gonna add the chicken back in there. Now at this point, turn the saute off. Add the chicken in there. Chicken juices. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon, just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna add those crushed, like I'm only do 2. I like a little bit of spice, but Aalayah doesn't, so a little bit of thyme. Not too much thyme though. Oregano. Parsley. Then I'm gonna just stir that up. Okay, stir it up. The garlic powder, onion powder, I'm gonna add a little bit later. All right, so I'm gonna put the top on here. Okay, you guys, so we got that on. I'm going to turn it back on to saute. I'm gonna do on less for right now. And then I'm going to add in my cream of chicken. All right, you guys, so I put the cream of chicken in there. I'm gonna stir it up. Stir it up real good while it's on saute. And then I'm going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. This is the pasta I'm using. I love this one because it's non-GMO. We're just gonna put the whole pack up in there. You hear me? The whole pack. Give it a good stir. Let that cook up real nice and good. I probably could have added more carrots and stuff. Okay. A little bit of heavy whipping cream. Not a whole lot, y'all, because I don't want it super creamy. But that should be good right there. And I'm going to stir this up. Stir it up. Let that cook. Let the noodles thicken up. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in. Then I'm going to add a little bit more seasonings, like some more garlic powder and onion powder as well. And I got to stir it up to make sure that cream of chicken. I wish I would have got cream of mushroom too, because 1 can of each would have been good enough. But when you cook the noodles in the broth, it makes it thicker. And if you want to get a little wild, you can put you some potatoes in there, make them real small. It'll thicken up your sauce as well. Or you could use some cornstarch. Okay, y'all, so this is the chicken after I shredded it up. I ain't gonna shred it up too much. I'm gonna dump it on in the pot. There we go. I'm gonna get that a good stir. I got it on less. I'm gonna get that a good stir. So while it's on there, you gotta make sure that you keep stirring it, because if not, it'll start sticking to the bottom. So I want the chicken to cook in there because I added some more flavor. So I want it to cook in there a little bit longer. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit longer and occasionally stir it, and boom. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I added some spinach in there. So I'm gonna make me a bowl and we're gonna do a taste test. Okay, you guys, so this is the soup. Hold on, let me let y'all see what it look like. So that's the soup in my bowl, and now we're gonna try it. So I got some spinach, I got some carrots in here. Okay, I'll give y'all first bite. Okay, it's kind of creamy too because I added the heavy whipping cream and the cream of chicken. Okay, that's good. Lots of flavor, a little bit of spice, but not too much. The spice is very, very mild. Woo. Hot, hot. Really good. So good. This will go good with a Sprite, some red Kool-Aid. It gotta be red, or ginger ale. This is delicious, you guys. Delicious, guys. Okay. I just want to tell y'all, thanks so much for tuning in to my cook with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm finna go bash this soup, and I'm watching Paternity Court. Happy Sunday, you guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video.